Hello, this is Mrs. Cooper with the weekly update for the week of April 16th, 2021. Here are some upcoming events. This Monday, April 19th through May 2nd is our spring virtual Scholastic Book Fair. The link to virtually attend the book fair is www.scholastic.com/bf/Palm Beach Maritime Academy. I will also email this link to parents who would like to purchase great books for their students while supporting our school. Take Your Child to Work Day is on April 22nd. We encourage you to participate in this event and take your child to work if you are able. Please notify your student's teacher if you will participate. Please have your child draw or write about what they did during this event to share with their class and with their teacher. Monday, May 31st, school is closed for Memorial Day. The last day of school will be Friday, June 18th. Here is the high school testing information. Here is the middle school testing information. And finally, this is the elementary testing information. Here's Mrs. Smith with the testing update.
Hi PBMA families, this is Mrs. Smith. I just wanted to give you a quick testing update. I am so pleased to announce that we have had 100% participation so far with 3rd grade reading and 4-5 writing. We do have a couple makeups scheduled, but those are scheduled and good to go. Please pay attention to the upcoming testing dates in May, and we hope to keep our 100% participation going. Thank you everyone so much for all your help and support during testing time.
Palm Beach Maritime Academy and Palm Beach Maritime Academy High School will follow the district and offer in-person classes for the 2021-2022 school year. Changes may be made based upon recommendations from the CDC, local health authorities, and/or the Palm Beach School District. Thank you for your continued support. On Thursday night, we attended the Best of Palm Beach County Awards ceremony. I am thrilled to announce that Palm Beach Maritime Academy once again has been voted Best Public School in Palm Beach County for the 2nd consecutive year. Thank you to everyone who took the time to vote for us. Here's the amazing Mr. Andropont with a message about Teacher Appreciation Week.
Hello PBMA families, it's Mr. Andropont here. I'm here to talk to you about teachers. If you're listening to this program, turn it off for a moment. Teacher Appreciation Week. This year it's May 3rd through 7th. So we're soliciting funds to do some great things for our teachers for the week. Please try to put a couple dollars in an envelope and put Mrs. Cooper on the outside of it and give it to your student to turn into their teacher. Anything you can give can help us make this a great week for our teachers. We have some fun things planned. We're going to use hashtag Thank a Teacher all week. National Teacher Day is Tuesday, May 4th. So we're going to have hashtag Red for Ed. Everybody's going to wear red that day. So think about other things that you can do for your teachers individually. Write letters, notes, bring them things, but we also are soliciting some funds to help us make this the best Teacher Appreciation Week ever, especially considering everything that we've been through over the last year or two. Good to see everybody.
Here's Ms. Fisher with some more favorite Bachelorette Gallery photos.
Hi PBMA, I have Sabrina here sharing her favorite piece of work by Steve McCurry. Go ahead Sabrina, tell us why this is your favorite.
This one's my favorite because the cow is cute and the cow and the little boy look like they have friendship.
They look like they have a friendship. They are super cute. Would you have a pet cow and laying with him in the street like that?
Yes.
Yes, she would. All right, well thank you Sabrina, and you guys keep coming back and we'll share some more artwork with you with some more students. Have a great day.
Ms. Saunders' 1st grade class conducted a color dancing milk experiment with dish soap, milk, and Q-tips. They wanted to see if the amount of fat in the milk affects how much the color mixes together. They learned that the fat in milk acts as an oil. Because dish soap cleans oil off of the dishes and other surfaces, when the soap hits the milk, it quickly begins to search for oil to take out. Lots of fat makes the milk dance even quicker. And finally, here are the secondary shocks of the week. Please remember to like and follow us on Facebook to stay informed of important information. I'm Mrs. Cooper, and this is Bailey. Thanks for watching, and remember, an engaged parent is a great parent.